This is the Ellipta Inhaler. It's a dry powder device, so no need to shake at any time. You'll note that the device is currently in the closed position. Please don't open the device until you're ready to inhale a dose of the medication. Once you're ready, slide the cover over until you hear a click. Breathe out away from the device to empty your lungs. Then pop your mouth over the mouthpiece, ensuring you have an adequate seal with your lips. And make sure you don't cover the air vents with your lips or fingers. Breathe in slowly and deeply and hold your breath for up to 10 seconds or as long as comfortably possible. Make sure you breathe out away from the device. Close the cover once you're finished. The Ellipta device has 30 doses in total. Once you get to 10 doses, half of the dose counter will be red, and then when there's no medication left in the device, there'll be a 0 with a completely red dose counter. Please remember to rinse your mouth out with water following the use of the Ellipta device.